So the reason why health data analytics is here to stay is because population health management has been found to improve healthcare delivery among diverse groups of people. Um, Population health management's purpose is to discover what works in the healthcare facility and what needs to be changed. They use health data analytics to discover these things. It's key for population health management and accountable care organizations. Basically, storing information in computers is more valuable than storing it in paper-based systems. And when they store it on the computer, they can manipulate the data and figure out what works for a facility and what doesn't. They can also share their information between facilities, and that's how they share their research and stuff. So in conclusion, health data analytics not only includes the manipulation and interpretation of data, but also how it's presented. This information is used by physicians, administrators, managers, CEOs, public health organizations, and others. And the reason for this information sharing is to improve the patient health care experience, and also just to improve the population health in general and to make sure that the population remains healthy.